Assalamu alaikum students. How are you students?
I'm fine, and you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. Thank you. Okay, today I'm going to take your English second paper class, and today I'm going to discuss on the topics from your MT. Okay, so this is the class about your revision class on the topic of your MT topics. Okay. Your empty topic, you have two paragraphs. One is good things in my neighborhood, and second one is why I like to read. So students, did you memorize your paragraph?
Yes, me.
Okay, now I am giving you 5 minutes to revise your paragraph, good things in my neighborhood. Okay, I am going to share a photo on this paragraph, so you will revise it, and I am going to ask everyone. This is the paragraph, good things in my neighborhood. I live in a large neighborhood in a residential part of Dhaka. There are many high-rise buildings, a commercial district with a lot of shops and a few parks. Also, there is a high school and a post office nearby. I like living here because it has convenient transport and a lot of interesting things to do. On the weekends, I like to get an ice cream at the cafe across the street from my flat and read the weekend newspaper. It's a great place to live because there are many facilities for young families. Here, this is your next topic, translation. You can see here translation English to Bangla or okay, you can see here the headline, and there is number 1, the girl is playing in the garden, মেয়েটি বাগানে খেলছে. Okay, number 2, the boy is crying, ছেলেটি কান্না করছে. Number 3, the birds are flying in the sky, পাখিরা আকাশে উড়ছে. Number 4, the cow eats grass, গরু ঘাস খায়. Number 5, the dog is under the table, কুকুরটি টেবিলের নিচে. Number 6, can you see the lion, তুমি কি সিংহটিকে দেখতে পাচ্ছ? 7 number, where have you put my pen, আমার কলমটি কোথায় রেখেছো? Number 8, it is 8 o'clock, এখন 10টা বাজে. 9, it is raining, বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে. The girl sings a song, মেয়েটি গান গায়. Is that my book, বইটি কি আমার বই? 2 and 2 makes 4, 2 এ 2 এ 4 হয়. Students, our next topic is formula the new grammar tree, and the first one is article. For this you will open page number 55. 55. This is article from page number 55 and 56. Okay, I am giving you 2 minutes to revision. Okay, start reading. Number 1, a river flowed past the castle. There is a vase on the table. We saw an ostrich at the zoo. Mr. Moody picked up an umbrella from the rack. Molly ate a slice of bread and an egg which had been boiled. Mother told us a story about a fairy and an imp. They heard a scream, turned, and saw a tiger walking towards them. A little robin hopped up on the table to eat the bread crumbs. A giant owned the garden. He had built a high wall. There was a banana, some grapes, and oranges on the plate. So this is the article. use of a and the. You will learn this one. Students, this is your another topic from your syllabus, auxiliary verb. So you have already read it. A verb also tells how or what somebody or something is. So auxiliary verb is am, is, are, was and were. So this is the auxiliary verb. Present form is am, are, is, and past form is was and were. With I or first person there will be am, with first person there will be are, then you are, he, she, it there will be is, and they there will be are. I, was, we, were, you, were, he, she, it there will be was, they plural there will be were. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable verbs chosen from am, is, are, was and were. India is a large country. The earth is round. I am a pupil of class 2. These words are verbs. They are hungry after their long walk. Jafar and Rohan are my classmates. I was sorry I broke the flower pot. Sana's father was a good football player when he was in school. His name is Ferdin. The children are happy that the holidays have started. The clown is happy. His tricks are clever. He was late because he had missed the school bus. I am the tallest boy in the class. Are Shumon and Akash your friends? Tom was caught by the farmer when he tried to climb up the apple tree. So this is auxiliary verb. Another topic is adverbs. This is for your MT. Words that tell us something more about verbs are called adverb. That means the word qualify or modify verbs, then it is adverb. That means how is the verb. Number A, fill in the blanks with the suitable adverbs chosen from those given in brackets. You need to fill this blank with this word, given word. How does the sun shine? The sun shines brightly. Where shall I put the packets? Put the packets here. How did Rubel kick the ball? Rubel kicked the ball hard. Where did Anne sit? Anne sat there. How did Ruchira sing? Ruchira sang sweetly. Where did the balloon fly? The balloon flew up. How did the dog bark? The dog barked loudly. When will Aman come home? Aman will come home tomorrow. How did Akash write? Akash wrote neatly. How did the soldiers fight? The soldiers fought bravely. Fill in the blanks correctly with the adverbs chosen from this given in brackets. There are options. You will use this to fill this blank. Maruf went away. The stars twinkled brightly. Tony slipped and fell down. We shall go there on Saturday. The happy group of children sang merrily in the bus. Mahira cried bitterly when he lost his pet dog. Rafiq spoke politely to the visitor. Always tell the truth. You should go to bed now because it is late. Students, this is your second semester MT syllabus. Article page 55 to 57. Auxiliary verb page 37 to 38. Adverbs page 58 to 59. Translation and paragraph you will follow CW copy. Okay students, you will learn this topic. So that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.